Struggling to lose weight on the carnivore diet now that you're over 40? I've got the top 5 mistakes you're probably making, and I'll show you how to fix them without wasting time. I've helped people just like you drop 20 pounds in 30 days with this exact advice. Stick around and I'll give you a pre-checklist to make these fixes super easy. Want to know the one mistake that could keep you stuck for years? Mistake number 1, eating too much fat. When you start the carnivore diet over 40, you might think eating lots of fat will help you lose weight fast because people say so online. This diet is only meat and fat is part of it. So you might eat lots of bacon or fatty steaks every day, but eating too much fat can stop you from losing weight, especially now that you are older. Too much fat keeps you from losing weight because it has a lot of calories. And over 40, your body doesn't use up calories as fast as it used to. 1 pound of fat has more than 3,000 calories, so even a little extra adds up quick. For example, if you eat 2 big fatty steaks instead of smaller lean ones, you could add 500 calories and not even know it. Some people say fatty makes us feel full, and that's true, but if you don't watch it, you eat more than your body can burn, and your weight stays the same. I've seen people over 40 switch to lean meats like chicken or thin beef and lose weight in just a week. Some might say lean meat isn't that yummy, but you can add salt or cook it good to make it taste great. Keep fat to a small part of your food. Pick lean meats and you'll see pounds go away in a few days. You'll feel full without adding weight you don't want. Now that you know about fat, let's talk about the planning mistake that messes people up with the carnivore diet. Mistake number 2, skipping meal plan. If you're over 40 and new to the carnivore diet, you might be bossy with it, work, family. You don't plan your meals. The diet sounds easy, just eat meat, but if you don't make a plan, you're asking for problems. I'll meet people who thought they could eat whatever meat they found and still lose weight. But that's not how it goes. Not planning meals hurts your weight loss because you might eat too much or not eat enough without knowing it. If you don't get ready, you could eat a big dinner because you miss lunch, and that messes up your calories. One guy I know gained 3 pounds in a week because he kept eating little bits of meat all day. Planning makes your meals even, like 6 ounces of beef 3 times a day, and that could help you lose weight. Some say planning takes too long, but 10 minutes a week saves you from mistakes later. People who don't plan get stuck, but planners lose 10 pounds in a month. Write a fast list of meals for the week, like burgers or steak, and you reach your weight loss goals without a mess. It's less worry and more winning, nice and easy. With meal fixed, let's look at the body problem you can't skip if you want to lose weight. Mistake number 3, ignoring digestion issues. When you switch to carnivore diet over 40, your body has to get used to no plans, and that can mess you up your tummy right away. Many new people get constipation or feel puffy because there's no fiber, but they keep going anyway. I've heard from folks who thought it would fix itself, but not fixing it slows down your weight loss a lot. Not fixing tummy problems stops you because a slow gut makes you feel heavy and puffy. With no fiber, your body needs more water, and salt keeps things moving, or you get stuck. One lady I talked to couldn't go for days, held extra water weight, and almost stopped the diet. Drinking more water and adding salt helps. Try 8 glasses of water and a tablespoon each day. Some say I don't want to keep track of that too. Too bad. If you don't, you feel bad, but people who lose 5 pounds of puffiness in a week, I've seen people feel rotten when a small change could keep them going. Drink water and use salt every day, and you'll get rid of puffiness and see real weight loss soon. Your energy will go up, so you stay happy and strong. Now that your tummy is good, let's see why stopping too early is a big mistake. Mistake number 4, giving up too soon. If you're over 40 and new to carnivore, the first weeks can feel hard without wanting other foods or feeling tired. A lot of people stop early. You might begin well, but day 10 you miss bread or feel slow and you want to quit. I've seen new people give up before the diet can even help them lose weight. Stopping too soon keeps you from losing weight because your body needs 30 days to get used to it and start using fat right. It takes time to stop eating bread and energy and start using fat energy. And if you quit at 2 weeks, you miss the good part. One man I know stopped at day 15 with a no weight loss, but his body kept going and lost 12 pounds by day 40. You have to keep going because your body changes and then the pounds drop faster. Some say, but I feel bad now. That's okay. Eat meat and drink water and it gets better. People who say stays heavy, people who finish lose weight. Stay with it for 30 days and you find a spot where weight comes off and you don't want other foods anymore. You'll be happy that you didn't quit when you are going to look back. After you make it past that, there's one more mistake about moving your body you need to watch out for. Mistake number 5, avoiding exercise. When you start the carnivore diet over 40, you might think the diet alone will take care of the weight loss. So you don't move your body at all. The diet stops bread and that can take you off pound. But many people over 40 sits all day and wonder why they stop losing. I've talked to folks who lost 5 pounds when they stuck because they didn't add any moving. Not moving slows your weight loss because your body needs help to use more calories, especially since it's slower over 40. Walking or lifting weights for 20 minutes a day can make you lose fat twice as fast. Tests shows it's true. One lady I know started walking and went from 2 pounds to 6 pounds lost in a month. Another who stayed the same. Moving makes muscles, and muscles use more calories even when you're resting. Some says, but I'm tired or my knees hurts. Starting in 10 minutes, it gets easier, not like sitting and seeing no change. People who don't move hit the wall. People who do keep losing pounds. Take a short walk or a light weight lift and you see the scale go down faster and your body gets firmer in weeks. You feel tougher too, which makes the diet feel good. And if you want to learn more about mistakes that we do on the carnivore diet, press this video where you see on the screen and we will be able to learn more about the mistakes when we are doing it on the carnivore diet. So press this video and we see you over there.